I'm Jon Jenkins, SVP of Sales and Account Management here at Motive. Here with Mary Shepard, Group Product Manager at Motive.
Yeah, excited to be here with you, JJ.
Excited to be doing this with you. And we're talking about something so cool. Today we are talking about Motive's AI Coach and how it can help deliver coaching at scale automatically. Mary, you talk to a lot of fleets about not just the importance of coaching, but the importance of doing it consistently. What are some of the challenges that stand out?
Yeah, I think, a similar challenge that we all face no matter what job we're working is that there's just not enough hours in the day to get everything you need to get done. And when you have drivers out in the field or on the road all day, it's hard to reach them, right? And so with coaching, if it's not timely and if it's not delivered consistently, then it's just never going to become effective. That's where our AI coach comes into play. That avatar is going to deliver a very personalized message to the driver about their specific performance. It's going to deliver that message in a timely manner, and we're able to consistently deliver this message across hundreds or even thousands of drivers. And I think that's the main difference here, is that as a safety manager, you can't get to every single driver, but this AI avatar can. It can deliver that timely and consistent messaging.
That's incredible. It's one thing to talk about it, but it's another thing to see it. Can we take a look?
Absolutely. Let's build one for you. So you can see here, I'm in settings, the safety settings. If I go to this coaching tab here, it's going to show me this new AI coach widget here. I can see, that the feature is enabled. And then if I go into edit, I can see the default options that Motive offers. So we have a female version, you can see Coach Claire here, or a male version of Coach Chris. But if we want to create our own, we can do that as well. So I'm going to go ahead and hit create own. And then you can see here, it's just a quick walkthrough process of how to create your avatar. And we actually utilize Coach Claire, one of our avatars, to walk you through it so you can actually become accustomed with what it looks like and what it feels like as you're going through this process. So if I go ahead and hit get started, the first thing we're gonna do is upload that video I had you record just a few minutes ago. Quick 2-minute video. We utilize this to generate the avatar itself. So I'm gonna go ahead and upload that video, and then I'm gonna go into the next step. This next step here is just a quick consent statement. We have to make sure that it's actually you in the video that we just uploaded. So I'm gonna go ahead and upload that here. And then the last step here is to name your avatar. Are you fine with Coach JJ?
Coach JJ sounds great.
All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and click finish. You can see here, it's gonna take a few minutes for the avatar to be generated. So I'm gonna go ahead and click save. If I go back into my dashboard, I can see here, look, I already have a notification. The notification is telling me that JJ's all set. I'm gonna click into that. I'm gonna go in, and look, here it is, new, Coach JJ. So I'm gonna assign you as my coach. I can even quickly preview what you look like. So here you can see, maybe you want to do another take, maybe you don't like the shirt you're wearing, maybe you're off-centered a little bit, but we give you that preview so that you can make sure it is exactly how you want it, and you can do as many recordings as you want to get it perfect. So just a quick preview here.
Hi Mary, it's Coach JJ here.
So again, you're able to see what it is before you go ahead and implement it for all of your drivers.
And I'll just say, in filming the video and uploading it, I went through the process. What stood out to me is just how quick and easy it is and how quickly you can get it done.
Yeah, absolutely. We want to make sure it's really simple and easy process to get through because, again, we know you don't have a lot of time on your hands. And so if I go ahead and click save here, now it's all ready to go. How about we see what it looks like for the driver?
Let's take a look.
All right, so now I've got my phone here. I can see I get this notification from Motive. It's asking me if I want to know how to improve my safety score, which absolutely I do. So if I go ahead and click into this, it's going to show me that I have to watch this recap video. I'm going to go ahead and click into it, and let's see what it looks like.
Hi Mary, it's Coach JJ here. Let's go over your weekly recap. We'll highlight what you did well and go over a few areas to help you stay safe and efficient on the road. Mary, your safety score decreased from 84 to 80. Let's highlight some behaviors that impacted your score. First, we'll cover an area for recognition, alert driving. Next, we'll cover areas for improvement, cell phone usage, and vehicle idling. Mary, here's a great example where you avoided a collision caused by another driver's unsafe lane change. Your quick reaction and awareness helped prevent an accident. Awesome job staying sharp. This is exactly the kind of attentive driving that keeps you and others safe. Let's review an area for improvement. You had 4 instances of cell phone use this week. Even a quick glance can be dangerous, and distracted driving is a leading cause of accidents. Our organization defines cell phone use as handling a phone for 5 seconds while driving above 25 miles per hour. If you ever need to take a call or check something urgent, the safest choice is to pull over.
What did you think?
I think it's surreal. It's incredible to see an AI version of myself, to also know that coaching can be delivered across all of these different event types is phenomenal.
Yeah, and I think what's really cool about this too is that, what we just saw was purely safety focused, but this can scale to any type of driving behavior. And so when you think about whether it's idling or fuel consumption, compliance, whatever it might be, this coach can deliver that messaging for that as well. And so if I hit play here, we'll see what else Coach JJ, the avatar, identified for me as a driver as an area of opportunity.
Let's check it out.
Another area in need of improvement is vehicle idling. Mary, you idled for over 15 minutes on Thursday in San Jose, despite not being in the vehicle and with mild weather. Minimizing idling in such conditions saves fuel and reduces emissions. Some states have anti-idling laws, and violations could result in fines for the company. As a reminder, it's best to turn off the engine when waiting for more than 2 minutes. Here are some key takeaways. First, great job staying alert and being aware of your surroundings. Next, avoid phone use and take a break when necessary. Lastly, reduce vehicle idling whenever possible to improve fuel efficiency. Mary, I appreciate your commitment to safety and fuel efficiency and know you'll continue making great decisions on the road. Let's keep up the progress and have a fantastic week.
So it's pretty quick and easy. You'll see we started out positively, we end on a positive note, make sure that the driver feels that they're valued, and we do see potential for improvement in them. It's not just safety behaviors, it's any type of driving behavior that this coach can deliver the message to. We can reach all hundred or thousands of your drivers at a time. And it's all AI generated, right? You saw, your avatar, that's AI generated. We cloned your voice. And then the script itself, right? It's also AI generated. And so it's going to be very specific. You saw those videos. Those were me on the road. And it's all going to be very personalized to that driver. We're sending the model their data. So the message each week is very specific to them and their performance.
It's really wild to know that this type of coaching can be delivered at scale so consistently. In talking to customers, safety managers just have so much trouble keeping up with all of the different events, and they really have to prioritize certain event types. And so it's amazing that we can deliver it on time, at scale, across all drivers. Giving consistent coaching is great, but we want to make sure that that coaching is received by the drivers. How can I track that to make sure that everybody is taking that feedback, in particular for unionized drivers where I want to mitigate risk?
Yeah, it's a great point. It's one thing to know that, we're sending the videos, but it's another thing to make sure that your drivers are actually engaged and watching this, right? Again, that's where it's going to become effective. And so if you go into your dashboard and you go into that driver safety profile that we have, you're probably familiar with the coaching history section of that, where every time, a driver is coached, whether it's through Motive automatically or, a fleet manager themselves, we're going to log it in that history. And you can see right here in my safety profile, the latest entry here is you coaching me through your avatar. So it says, Mary reviewed her latest safety score with AI coach. We mentioned positive driving and cell phone usage and vehicle idling. But what's cool here is we don't just annotate that happened. We also give you, the fleet manager, access to that same exact video that the driver saw. So it's completely transparent between both parties. And I think that's really important here too, to make sure that you see exactly what the driver sees so that as they're talking to you about it, you have full visibility into that.
Incredible. Unbelievable that technology has evolved to the point where I, Coach JJ, can coach hundreds, if not thousands of drivers consistently, at scale, in near real time. Mary, thanks so much for showing it to us.
Absolutely.